Lecture 3, Linguistic Features of Texts. Introduction to Linguistic Features. Linguistic features are the essential building blocks of texts, encompassing various elements that contribute to meaning, style, and structure. These features are integral to understanding how language functions within different contexts and how it shapes communication. Linguistic features include aspects such as syntax, semantics, phonetics, and pragmatics, each playing a vital role in how texts are interpreted and understood. The purpose of analyzing these features is to discern how they shape meaning and contribute to the overall effectiveness of communication. By examining linguistic elements, we can uncover the subtleties of language that influence how messages are conveyed and perceived. This understanding is crucial for effective text analysis, whether in literary studies, media analysis, or everyday communication. Key linguistic features. Lexical choices. One of the primary linguistic features is lexical choice, which refers to vocabulary selection and its impact on tone, style, and audience engagement. The specific words chosen can convey different shades of meaning and evoke particular emotions. For example, using technical jargon may lend authority to a text, but could alienate a general audience. Conversely, colloquialisms might make a text more relatable but less formal. Understanding the register, whether formal, informal, or specialized, is essential for analyzing how language functions in different contexts. Syntactic structure. Syntactic structure involves the arrangement of words and phrases to create sentences. Sentence length, complexity, and variation affect the readability and flow of a text. For instance, shorter sentences can create urgency, while longer, more complex sentences allow for detailed explanations. The use of clauses and phrases also plays a significant role in constructing meaning, as they can clarify relationships between ideas and enhance coherence. Phonetic features. In spoken texts, phonetic features such as sound patterns, rhythm, and intonation contribute significantly to meaning. These elements are particularly important in poetry and rhetoric, where the auditory qualities of language can enhance emotional impact. For example, the use of alliteration can create a musical quality, while varied intonation can emphasize key points in a speech. Discourse markers. Discourse markers are words and phrases that guide the flow of discourse, such as however, therefore, and moreover. These linguistic elements play a crucial role in establishing coherence and cohesion within texts. They help connect ideas, signal transitions, and indicate relationships between statements, thereby improving the overall readability and logical flow of a text. Types of linguistic features. Grammatical features. Grammatical features encompass tense, aspect, and mood, all of which affect meaning. For example, the choice of tense can indicate whether an action is ongoing, completed, or habitual, thus shaping the reader's understanding of events. Aspect informs the nature of the action, while mood conveys the speaker's attitude toward the action, influencing how a message is received. Stylistic devices. Stylistic devices such as metaphor, simile, and alliteration enhance texts by adding depth and richness. These rhetorical devices can evoke imagery, create emotional resonance, and engage readers on a more profound level. For instance, a metaphor can provide a fresh perspective on a concept, making it more relatable and impactful. Pragmatic features. Pragmatic features include contextual elements that affect interpretation, such as implicature and speech acts. These features highlight how meaning is constructed beyond the literal words used. For example, the way a request is phrased can imply urgency or politeness, influencing the listener's response. Multimodal features. Multimodal features involve the integration of visual and verbal elements in texts, as seen in advertisements or graphic novels. This approach acknowledges that meaning can be constructed through various modes, each contributing to the overall message. Analyzing multimodal texts requires an understanding of how visual elements interact with language to create meaning. Innovative techniques in analyzing linguistic features. Recent advancements in technology have introduced innovative techniques for analyzing linguistic features. Corpus linguistics involves using large text corpora to identify linguistic patterns and trends, allowing for empirical studies of language use across different contexts. Text mining employs computational methods to extract meaningful information from texts, facilitating large-scale analyses that were previously difficult to conduct. Sentiment analysis utilizes natural language processing to analyze the emotional tone of texts, providing insights into how language reflects attitudes and feelings. This technique is particularly useful in fields such as marketing and social media analysis, where understanding public sentiment is crucial. Discourse analysis investigates how language constructs social realities and power relations. By examining the language used in different contexts, researchers can uncover the ideologies and power dynamics that shape discourse and influence perceptions. Applications of linguistic feature analysis. The analysis of linguistic features has numerous applications across various fields. In literary analysis, understanding linguistic elements can reveal character development, themes, and narrative techniques. By examining how language is used, scholars can gain insights into the author's intentions and the societal issues addressed in the text. In media studies, analyzing language in news articles, advertisements, and social media helps uncover how language shapes public perception and reflects cultural values. This understanding is vital for evaluating the impact of media on society. In education, enhancing reading comprehension and writing skills through linguistic awareness empowers students to engage more critically with texts. By understanding the intricacies of language, students can improve their analytical abilities and express themselves more effectively. In translation studies, identifying challenges in translating linguistic features across languages is crucial for producing accurate and culturally sensitive translations. This analysis helps translators navigate the complexities of language and cultural nuances. Challenges in analyzing linguistic features. Despite its benefits, analyzing linguistic features presents several challenges. Ambiguity arises when words or phrases have multiple meanings, making interpretation complex. Cultural differences can affect how linguistic features are understood, necessitating a nuanced approach to analysis. Contextual variability influences the interpretation of linguistic features, as the same language can convey different meanings in different situations. Additionally, technological limitations can hinder nuanced linguistic analysis, as computational tools may not capture the subtleties of language effectively. Future directions. Looking ahead, the role of artificial intelligence in enhancing linguistic analysis and text generation is becoming increasingly significant. AI can assist in identifying patterns and trends that may not be immediately apparent to human analysts. Interdisciplinary approaches that combine insights from linguistics, psychology, and cognitive science promise to deepen our understanding of texts. Finally, the evolving nature of global communication in the digital age presents new challenges and opportunities for linguistic analysis, as language adapts to new contexts and technologies. In conclusion, understanding the linguistic features of texts is essential for effective analysis and interpretation. By examining elements such as lexical choices, syntactic structures, and phonetic features, we can uncover the complexities of language and its impact on communication.